Okay, we got about 1 minute to go on October 30, 2019. Waiting for the DJI announcement for the Mavic Mini. Maybe it'll just get to 0 and stop. I have no idea. Okay, there's 0. Now all it says is learn more. Okay. And then it says coming soon. Learn more. Okay, fly as you are. Well, that's... I don't see anything. Alright. Consumer drones, is it there? Alright. Oh, there it is. Alright. Click on Mavic Mini. Alright. Oh, here's a buy now button. Well, I'll just scroll down through here. We can see that had a little animation to it. Do we even want to buy one? That's the thing. I don't know. Still looks very similar to the pictures. Let me scroll down here real quick. Alright, you know what? There's your stuff right there. Looks like the same stuff I've seen right along. $3.99. Click the buy now. Alright. Flymore combo is $4.99, just like I thought. And then you can get a SanDisk with it. Well, let's check one of them. Now I've got $5.38. I've gone over the $4.99 because I got a SanDisk card. Okay, so that's your buy now. Now let's see. What do we do now? Shop now? Alright, let's click shop now. What happens? Okay, then you just keep going. You got to refresh. I could check no. It's probably a good idea to get it, at least in the first year, because we don't know what this thing's going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and get it because I don't know. This thing might break right away. Okay, and then you can add it to cart. So now I'm at $5.77. Alright, add to cart. Here's some of the Mavic Mini accessories, and I just noticed here they have the charging base, so that's what that dome thing was. You can put your Mavic Mini in there to charge it and show it off. And then there's the two-way charging hub, which I already get when I order the Flymore. There's some stickers you can put on, but remember, if you put stickers on, it might go over the 250 grams and weigh a little bit too much. And there's a snap adapter too that you can snap on different accessories. That might be interesting in the future, but any weight you add to it will put it over that 250 grams. Then they have a little holder here to keep the blades in place when you're transporting it. And there's an extra little carrying case you can get. So that's the accessories right there. View cart and check out. Alright, do that. Okay, here's what I got. So I got the SanDisk, the Flymore combo, and the Care Refresh. Check out with PayPal. Let's see what happens. On this part I might have to mask out. I can't show you my PayPal password. Checking my credentials here. Yeah, looks good. Well, let's place the order, see what happens. Probably a lot of people ordering at once, so that is why it's doing this. That's what I would assume. Now it's got payment complete, view order details. There's nothing else down here. Alright, let's view order details. Now it says I gotta log in. Oh, it says welcome to DJI there, so they knew my email address. Let's see. I'll click here to set my password. Okay, let's See if that works. Alright, now I'm in. I'm not a robot. Log in. And that's how much the total was. Seems pretty high. I hope this thing's as good as they say it's gonna be. Now we can get some more views, which we've already seen. So it's amazing how these pictures that were leaked were these pictures. They're using the same pictures that were leaked. So maybe it was them doing it all along. Maybe they were causing the leaks. You think? DJI just leaked it through a third party, one of their employees. Unboxing highlights. That's interesting. Let's see what we got here. This is a comparison between the Flymore combo and the regular one. The 360-degree propeller guard, two-way charging hub, and the USB charger, 18 watt, and the carrying bag. Spare propellers, you get 2 more. Micro USB cable, you get 1 more. Spare screws, you get 3 sets instead of 1. Oh, intelligent battery, yeah, you get 3 instead of 1. Okay, so that's the difference in the Flymore combo. This is CineSmooth right here, which is actually a flight mode that you can put the Mavic in so that it flies more smoothly while you're going through your different motions and makes your video presentation just a little bit better to look at. And then below that we have the quick shots, which are pre-programmed one-touch actions that make the quad like circle or do a helix, or it can rocket away from you and do a sort of a pullback as it's going straight up in the air. But you can look at this stuff yourself later. I'll put a link under the video so you can read about it. Looks like I finally found the specs page right here, and it was on a thread posted on the DJI forums. And you can see right here it says it's not linked yet. But here's what the specs look like, and he does have a link. If you click on that link, you can find the full specs. There's actually 3 models for the transmission, and I think what's going on there is one is for the United States or that area with the FCC, and then you got one in this area in Europe and another one for this area in Europe. So one area in Europe actually uses 2.4 gigahertz, but it's still Wi-Fi, you know, it's not going to be OcuSync. So you can look through that. I'll put a link under this video to these more detailed specs. So this is the new DJI Fly app right here, and this is going to replace the DJI Go 4 app that you use on the other Mavics. So this will be a new piece of software that goes on your cell phone that'll look pretty much like the Go app, but it has a few different features and probably has more of a reduced set because it's not as complicated a drone. And it also has an editor within the app where you can quickly edit your clips and put some music on them and trim them and put them up on social media so people can see them, and you can share those with everybody. Dedicated remote controller, vision sensor, and GPS. So you can hover precisely indoors, excellent, and outdoors. So that'd be good for in the gym, so it'll hover above the floor because it says indoors and outdoors. I'm glad of that. But if you go to the newsroom on DJI, there's a lot of information about the Mavic there. Big write-up, but what's interesting is down the bottom here, it says Mavic will begin shipping November 11. So it looks like I've got quite a wait. It's going to be like a 12-day wait before it even starts shipping. And then, I don't know how long it'll be before they ship mine and how long it gets to me. So this could be a wait. Well, there's my order. It's moved up to processing right now. And I'll just have to watch that over time and see how it does. And look on the forums and see what the rumors are for the ETA. And, well, just keep watching it. I'm sure there'll be lots of information on the forums about it and everybody excited about getting theirs. But that's it for now. I hope this gives you enough information so you can decide whether you can order it or not. And I'm sure there's going to be some reviews coming out now on the internet. Probably be plenty of them or the beta testers who had theirs. They'll probably put their reviews up and you can watch those. But I just wanted to show you the ordering process and the decision-making process on how you go through and drill down through the menus and pick what you want and how you order it, if you want to order it at all. Okay, that's it for now. We'll talk to you later, and have a great week.